What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a wavelength taper fade using our tools from the OG clipper company, Wahl. I'm going to start this haircut with my cordless senior, 1.5 guard attached with the lever all the way closed. I'm creating the foundation for the haircut, getting the head nice and even, cutting with the grain so I don't disturb my client's wave pattern. Once I've gotten my foundation even, I'll grab my magic clips, lever all the way open, no guard, and create my first fade zone. Now with my half guard attached, I'll create my next fade zone, working open to close from the top of the zone to the bottom. Once I've cleared that zone, I'll snap on my number 1 guard, open to close, and work top to bottom, just like the other zone. Once that zone is cleared, I'll move on to my 1.5 guard and repeat the process. Since I started with my 1.5 guard, I can now go with the grain with that same 1.5 guard and tie in the blend. Now I'll create those same exact steps for the right side of the taper. And now for the nape area. I'm going to start exactly how I started on the sides with my magic clip, no guard attached, open to close, and create that first fade zone. I'm using my clipper here in a reverse motion to grab the hair that may grow outside of the natural growth pattern. Now I'll grab my 1 guard with the lever all the way open and create my next fade zone, working top to bottom, just like the other zones. Now with my 1.5 guard attached, I'll repeat the same steps as before. As you guys know, all of my clients receive a shampoo with their haircut service, so here I am getting them dry with my Wahl 5-star blow dryer. Now back with my Wahl Senior with the 1.5 attached to get any hairs that I may have missed or that may have been hidden before the shampoo. A good haircut is all about the detail work, so let's tighten this thing up. I'm using the same exact steps and guards from my initial process just to clean this fade up and give it a little detail. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all the dope, amazing content that I have coming your way.